Three types of marketing, three types of off-market listings. Why off-market? Reason number one, the seller may not want neighbors to know about it. And number two, sellers may not want many people come to disturb them. And number three, seller may not want the selling ad to affect their business partner's decision or their business plans. Number four, the price will not be recorded on MLS if it's off market. And number five, listing days will not be recorded on MLS if it's off market. Otherwise, if they put it on the market, the price will be recorded on MLS and people will know how much it was selling. And listing dates will be recorded. People will know how long it's been on the market. First one is called confidential listing. You can list this property on MLS, but it doesn't show the address of the property. People usually need to sign a confidential agreement in order for the listing agent to send you the information. Commission is published on MLS. Anyone can write an offer for this kind of listing. And it's got a great exposure to everybody, to the public. The second one is called open listing. It is not listed by anyone and not published on MLS. So not many people knows about it, so it doesn't have a huge exposure. Commission is negotiable with the landlord, and anyone can write an offer on it. The third one is exclusive listing, signed with one agent and not published on MLS. The exclusive agent has the power to set any commission amount for the buyer's agent. So this type of listing is totally controlled by the listing agent. So if you have any question regarding these three types of off-market listing, you can give me a call. Thank you.